Hey guys, welcome to Tune In Tuesday. My name's Pat Nelson. I'm an instructor at Easy Divers in Memphis. What we'd like to talk to you today about is compasses and navigation. We're going to go over the parts of the compass and then how we use compasses in navigating to a dive site. So what I've got with me today is my console mounted compass. The parts that we're going to talk about specifically, this red line is called the lubber line. The bezel is on the outside and spins. And if you'll notice, there are two sets of notches, one on the north side, one on the south side. Also, the most important part is this north-seeking arrow. No matter which way the compass faces, it always faces north. Okay, so now that we've gone over the parts of this thing, let's talk about how we use it. Basically, for open water, wherever we're trying to go to, we always point the lubber line to. You move your body so that you're pointing in the right direction. At that point, the north-seeking arrow is going to be facing somewhere on that dial. To make sure we know where we're going, we will then spin that bezel so that it points to the north-seeking arrow. Okay, so now we can submerge and swim to our dive site that's in that direction. As long as that north-seeking arrow is pointing to the two notches, we're swimming the right direction. So we get there, we get to our dive site, we explore it, we want to go back to where we started from. We don't touch the bezel, but now we point that north-seeking arrow to the south notch, and we'll be facing the way we just came. And we can swim back to our start point. It's just that easy. Okay, the other way we can use this compass for the more advanced is on the edge of this, there's a little window that has azimuths in it. So let's say your local guide tells you that the dive site that you want to go to is 100 feet away at an azimuth of 130 degrees. What you would do is rotate your body till 130 shows up in the window, and then you would set your notches that way. Put your north-seeking notch on that north-seeking arrow. Oh, let's go this way. Then when we submerge, as long as we line up that north-seeking arrow with those notches, we'll be heading the right direction. It works the same way when you want to come back. You just swim the notch using the south arrow, and you'll go back to where you came from. So, in a nutshell, compasses are really easy to use as long as you keep in a couple of key points. Number one, you want to try to keep this thing flat and not tilted. Okay? When you look at it, you want to try to look directly over the top of it so that you're not looking at it at an angle, because that'll throw you off just a little bit. And the third thing is when you're diving with these in a buddy team, you want one person to do the navigating and you want the other buddy to count the distance and to manage your depth, because you will come very quickly overloaded trying to swim the notch and manage your depth and manage your air and manage your buddy. So I hope you enjoyed this little presentation. Check us out at www.easydiversmemphis.com on the web or at Facebook at Easy Divers Memphis. And I hope to see you on a couple of trips with us in the future. Have a good day.